Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're just basically going to talk about how to boss up a breakup. And by that I mean just moving on, moving forward, looking on the brighter side. I think it's 2017 and I think sometimes us females, we just tend to get too deep in crying and mourning over these guys. If he's going, let him go. So a typical thing for females to do after a breakup is to stress, cry, isolate ourselves from everyone, and try to blame ourselves for everything that went wrong in the relationship, even when we know at times it's the next person that wronged us. Well, today girl, I'm here to slap some senses in your brain, wipe those tears from your eyes, stop the crying so early in the morning. Today we're gonna teach you how to boss up a breakup. So the first thing you're gonna do is let that ninja have the last word. We're gonna let him have the last word. We're gonna let him express himself. We're gonna let him get his emotional side out, but then we're not gonna say it. Don't let him know if you're angry. Don't let him know if you're sad. Don't let him see shit. Believe me, he's gonna want to know what you think, and that will definitely have him reaching out to you at some point or the other. Maybe he'll probably call you just to say, you see, I know you never really did love me. He'll probably tell you some shit, but don't sweat that. Make this about you. Don't say anything. Don't get emotional. Don't cry. Even if you're gonna cry, don't cry when you're on the phone. Cry when the phone call is over or the meetup is over or whatever situation you guys are in to have the last hoorah conversation. Just note, don't get emotional. At least don't let him see you get all emotional and shit. Keep that shit together, girl. Keep it together. And then guess what? Cut him off. Yes, we're gonna cut him the fuck off. We're gonna cut him the fuck off. So after he got all emotional and shit, letting us know why he's breaking up with you, what you didn't do wrong, what you did wrong, putting all the blame on you, because guys tend to do that a lot. We cut him the fuck off. We're gonna do some block and delete at this point. So we're gonna delete his contact from phones or tablets or computer, whatever the fuck you have his contact on. We're gonna delete it. And if you're someone that memorizes number, or you know your ex's number from your head, girl, just pretend it's not there. Call your service provider, ask them to block this freaking number, so that even if you get drunk and you decide to call him for whatever reason to express yourself, when you call, you won't be getting through. Ask him to block you too. Ask him to block you from the social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, all of that stuff, WhatsApp. Ask him to block you. Don't be afraid to ask that ninja to block you, and when he blocks you, you go again and block him. So if you feel like texting him, if you're drunk or if you're feeling sorrowful or you're feeling doubtful, when you text him, you'll definitely not be getting through, because that ninja blocked you. Trust me, girl, this is very effective. It may make you cry and have a heart attack that you're not able to get through to him, but trust me, it's very effective and it works. So you're gonna block his Instagram, his Snapchat, his WhatsApp. Don't be posting no subs either. Don't be letting him see how sorry you are or how sad you are. Don't be posting no kind of sub messages for him to see that you're sad, or his friends to see that you're sad, or for your friends, if you share mutual friends, to see that he's sad and go report to that nigga, oh my god, you broke my friend's heart, oh my god. No, don't give him that benefit, girls. Just block him. Keep away from the subliminal messages or the subs and all that kind of ish. Just try to maintain some emotional discipline. So next we're gonna start working out at the gym. Yes, girl, we're gonna get that body together. We're gonna get that body intact. Working out at the gym is good, as when you work out, it refreshes, revive, and re-energizes your spirit. It just makes you feel good. It just keeps your mind busy and occupied. And the bonus to working out at the gym, girls, is that we get to keep in shape. Yes, we want to be in shape. We want to make that ninja look back and be like, oh my god, what did I do? Oh my god. Yeah, that's the effect we want. If you don't want to work out at the gym, you can work out at home. You don't have to do nothing hardcore. If you realize that your thighs, your belly, do some workout that is going to help that stomach, girl. If you want some toned legs, do some workout that's gonna help to tone those legs. Yes. If you want strong arms, do some workout that's gonna get those arms together. Just do something for get the body fit, all right, for make that look up looking like, oh my god. Yeah. If you should post anything at all on social media, it should be you being busy, occupied, and looking sexy in those gym outfits, getting your body right and getting your fit tight. Yeah. The next thing that you're gonna do is upgrade your wardrobe. Yes, girl, we're gonna upgrade our life. And no, I'm not talking looking all thirsty, looking like you're trying to get your ex's attention.
How about a freebie? It's my birthday.
Do something that you've never done before. So if you never used to wear sexy clothes, you can try start doing a little bit of that. You can cut your hair, you can try a new hair color, you can just do some different things with yourself. Upgrade yourself, upgrade your style. If you don't usually wear waves, you can start wearing waves. If you used to wear wave, you can stop wearing waves and try doing something natural or do something that you've never done before. So yes, girl, go ahead, upgrade that wardrobe, cut that hair, get that new color. Don't be afraid. Do something, step outside of the box, do something to make yourself feel brand new, re-energized, and just look good, feel good. But don't go wearing them thought clothes, posting them pictures, thinking that that's gonna get that nigga's attention, because he's just gonna be like, look at her, she's trying to get my attention but I'm not looking. So make yourself look classy and sexy and just get going, get the drive back, just get your style on. Get back in old habits. And by getting back in old habits, I don't mean calling an ex to go get your fling on. No, girl. So sometimes when we're in relationships, we tend to forget about ourselves. We tend to forget about the things we love, and we focus a lot on our partner. Women tend to do these things a lot. Agree? I think y'all agree with me. So with this time alone, with this time that you get to be by yourself, try bringing up old habits. So if you used to love reading books, get yourself a new book, start reading again, get your mind busy, get your mind right. If you used to write songs, start writing those songs again. I know personally for me, I used to write songs before my relationship, and when I entered into my last relationship, it was just like I didn't like writing anymore. I was so consumed with my ex and what we were doing, I just didn't pay attention, or I didn't write much anymore. So when we broke up, I started to write again. I expressed all my feelings I put all my feelings into my songs and stuff, and I found that helped me a lot to stay busy, keep my mind occupied and stuff. So get back into old habits. If you used to swim, start swimming again. If you used to sing, start singing again. If you used to read, start reading a book again. Whatever it is that you used to do that you found that you were no longer doing because you were in a relationship, you can just start doing that again. Find yourself again, girl. All right, so next we're gonna call up our friends. We're gonna call up our friends or our family members, anybody you have in your life that you know can help you to feel good. We're gonna call up those friends and we're gonna go out. We're gonna hang out where single guys are, girls. We're gonna take our asses to the clubs. We're gonna twerk. Yeah, we're gonna do everything to take our mind off this person. So if you never usually go to the club, you can try going to the club. Don't think that you're going there to look anybody. Really, when you go to the clubs, there are other single guys there that will call to you, will tell you nice things. I know that don't mean you should jump on the next available person. Use those compliments to make you feel good about yourself, to make you feel confident. You'll see, girl, that guy was not the only guy in the world, and one man's trash is another man's treasure, of course, and that there's nothing wrong with you. There was nothing wrong with you in the first place. This guy just don't know what he's missing out on. Just go places, keep busy, just keep doing things, because trust me, if you stay inside and you're making yourself bored all the time, you're gonna be thinking about this person, you're gonna be sorrowful, you're gonna be crying, you're gonna be sobbing, and we don't want that. So take your asses out of the house and go keep yourself occupied. There's billions of people in this world. Billions of people are in this world. You can't keep telling yourself that there's no one else out there that's gonna make you feel the way that person made you feel. Trust me, there's persons out there that can make you feel better. I personally used to think on my last breakup, oh my god, I'm done with relationships. There's nobody else that's gonna make me feel the same. There's nobody else that's gonna love me the same. There's nobody else that's gonna treat me the same. Bullshit, girl. There's a lot of people out there waiting to love you. You just gotta put yourself out there and give people chances. Or you don't even have to go to the clubs. You can do things like adventurous things. Go dirt bike riding, visit the zoo, just do any goddamn thing to take your mind off that ninja. So next we're gonna use this available time to sort out what life. So use this available time to figure out what it is that you want out of life. Get your finances up if your finances are not up, cause girl, it ain't cute being broke and sad. Can you imagine going through a breakup and being sad and not being able to buy something that you like from the store? Shopping sometimes is very therapeutic, I can tell you that. So imagine if you're going through a breakup and you have no money, you can't buy anything, or probably you're hungry because you just can't even afford food. Girl, that ain't cute. So use this time to get your finances up. If you don't have a job, try to find yourself a job, or just try to figure out what it is that you want from life, girl, because whoever told you that money don't bring you happiness is surely lying. They're lying. Because if you were going through that breakup and you were able to shop around and get you anything you want, you'd be feeling a lot better. Maybe not 100%, but you'd be feeling a lot better. So money does bring you some sort of happiness. I don't know who came up with that phrase, money don't bring you happiness. I'd like to meet them to smack them across the fucking head. Girls, it's 2017. People change, feelings fade. Don't sit around and drown yourself in sorrow. Don't let yourself go. Look yourself in the mirror and just say, no, no, no. We're gonna move on. We're gonna move up. We're gonna move forward. We're gonna bounce up this breakup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a different kind of video for me, and if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos from me, just please hit that like. If you're new to my channel and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Hit that subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I post a video. Big up to all my new subscribers, and hey to all the OGs. If you like this kind of video, please comment and let me know. If you have any suggested videos, please also let me know in that comment box below. If you want to see me do a makeup look on how I got this makeup together, you can also let me know in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Mwah. Love you, mi amores.
I ain't playing with you.
La 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 la. Boy, I'm used to love you. Now I hate you, I love you. Now I hate you, I love you. La 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 la. La 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 la. Boy, I'm